Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today's video is all about a jewelry making fun challenge that I have been involved in for several years now. It's hosted by Deb Houck, and this month the challenge is autumn colors. So we are in September of 2024, and the autumn colors challenge that she has given to us is to use any combination of orange, yellow, red, green, brown, and to use gemstones and leaves. So the gemstones and the leaves are just an optional challenge, but the colors are the things that she really wants us to use. So that's the first thing I go for, is dig around for the colors. And so the combination was orange, and I picked out these beads. They're painted glass beads. Aren't they pretty? I love painted glass beads. I think they're a lot of fun. So there's the orange, and then the yellow. These are all glass beads here. And then red. And I don't have green here, but I do have somewhere else. I'll show you that in just a second. And then brown. Okay, these are the main beads that I used. And then I also used these brown pearl beads, and at first I wasn't going to use them, but I'll explain why I had to use them in my piece here in just a second. And this is my piece right here. Here's the green. Let me zoom in a little bit. So what I did is I took this aventurine carved leaf. So I've got my leaves in there. I got my gemstone, and I have all my colors. So I was able to use all of the challenges. But I strung them up on 20 gauge coconut colored wire. And the reason I had to use those pearl beads is because I needed something small here. When I had these strung up at first, you could see a little bit of the wire, and I did not want you to see the wire here. It's fine to see it here, but I didn't want it peeking out. I also used some antique brass bead caps at the end. And then I used dark brass chain. And this winds up being about a 17-inch necklace. And this right here, because it's wire, you can bend it up a little bit just to make that curve. But this is what I made for the September 2024 challenge for fun making jewelry. Why is that not focusing? Here, I'll bring it back up so you can see it better. I don't know why it's not focusing. Hang on. There we go. For some reason it wasn't focusing, but I think I got it focused now. But anyway, this is what I made for the challenge. I hope you go check out all the other participants. I will leave links down in the description box below where you can just go click on it and check to see what they made. And thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.